How to add friends on Character.AI. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can add some friends on Character.ai, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, you're not gonna be able to add a friend at all. I mean, this system doesn't work like that. You can follow some people like you would do on Twitter, and in order to do that and to not confuse with any character, you must go into community, because remember, Character.ai is gonna be simulating some people or some characters like Mario or Stella, as you can see, and you're gonna be able to chat with them, but these are artificial intelligence. These are not real people. If you wanna find real people here in Character.ai, you must go into community, and you must go, I recommend you into general, because a lot of people is going to submit some memes or some characters and some posts, and there are going to be different profiles. So as you can see, this one you must click here again into the username, and now click on follow. Once you have done that, you're going to be able to follow this person. I also recommend you, if you want to interact with them, the only way to do that is to place a comment here, or at the bottom of the screen you can just add a comment, and this is how you're going to be able to communicate with them. Also, there is a place where you can find chats, but remember, this chat menu is just for characters that are artificial intelligence, not real people. So I suggest you just go into community, general, and tap in any profile that you are interested in and click on follow. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can add some friends on Character.ai. Thanks for watching.